Guest of Love Next Door. Jung Hae-in is an actor and model. His nickname is Milkman. Jung's date of birth is April 1st, 1988. He was debuted in 2013. Jung's birthplace is Dongjaek District, Seoul, South Korea. His age is 36 years. Jung's agency name is FNC Entertainment. Jung's height is 1.78 meter. His weight is 64 kg. Jung's net worth is $14 million. His zodiac sign is Aries. Jung's blood type is A. Jung Hae-in Instagram account. He has 11.4 million followers on his Insta account. Jung is not dating right now. He received his degree from Pyeongtaek University. At the age of 26, he made his debut. Because of his role in the fantasy romance serial While You Were Sleeping, Jung became well known in 2017. He was the most searched term on the Korean portal website Naver upon its premiere. At the age of 21, he enlisted in the military. After leaving the service and earning his college degree, he signed a deal with his agency. He is a Catholic. The nationality of Jung is South Korean. Jung's hair color is black. He has dark brown eyes. When he was in school, he was overweight and round. Jung So-min is an actress from South Korea. Her real name is Kim Yoon-ji. So-min's date of birth is March 16, 1989. Her age is 35 years. Seoul, South Korea is the birthplace of So-min. She received her degree from the Korea National Arts University. She was debuted in 2010. So-min agency name is Lium #. So-min net worth is around $5 million. So-min's zodiac sign is Pisces. So-min's height is 1.63 meter. Her weight is 45 kg. So-min's blood type is A. So-min's nationality is Korean. She has swollen eyes and no double eyelids. She took ballet classes in elementary and middle school. She started studying traditional Korean dancing in high school despite her parents' opposition. In January 2018, it was revealed that Lee Jun, Jang So-min's co-star, and she had been dating since October 2017. In December 2016, he was cast opposite Lee Kwang-soo as the female lead in The Sound of Your Heart. In China, this drama was a big hit, receiving over 100 million views on Sohu. Yoon Ji-yeon is a South Korean actor. Yoon age is 34 years. His birthplace is Incheon, South Korea. He received his degree from the acting department at Gyeonggi University. Yoon was debuted in 2016. Yoon's zodiac sign is Taurus. Yoon height is 1.7 meter. Kim Ji-hyun is an actress from Korea. Kim age is 30 years. She graduated from Jeongju University. Kim's agency name is HB Entertainment. Kim height is 1.66 meter. Kim's zodiac sign is Libra. Kim net worth is $1 to $3 million. Jo Han-chul is a Korean actor. Jo age is 51 years. Jo net worth is $12 million. Jang Young-nam is an actress and age is 50 years. Jang net worth is $1 to $5 million. Subscribe for more videos.